question is, a transparent glass sphere has a small opaque dot as its center. Does the apparent position of the dot appear to be same as its actual position when observed from the outside? Means a transparent sphere at its center it has one crack. Now one of the observer is watching that crack from air. Is it clear, children? Now in the question he is asking that the apparent position of the dot appear to be at the same as its actual position. Means if the person is observing this crack from the through air, does it appear here or not? That is the question. Is it clear? So to analyze this, I consider the refractive index of air is 1 and I consider the refractive index of the sphere is r, and I will consider the radius of the sphere is r. So the observer is observing the crack through air. The crack is present in the sphere, glass sphere. Is it clear? So here the object is the crack. Is it clear? The object is the crack. So this is the object. So the transparent medium, the transparent medium is glass. From glass to air, the light ray is traveling. This is the direction of the incident ray. Now consider this as the P. Is it clear? Now I will consider the object distance P to C or P to O, which will be is equal to X. So the object distance is equal to PO, which will be is equal to PC. PC value is R only. Is it clear? Now, and I need to find out the image distance. What is the refractive index of prism? I consider refractive index of prism. Sorry, this is not prism. This is sphere. Is equal to N. The refractive index of air, you might be know. What is the value of refractive index of air? 1. Refractive index of air is 1. Is it clear, children? Now you need to find out the image distance. What is the image spherical surface image formation from the N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. This is the formula. So our first step is to be find out N1, N2 values. So N1 is nothing but the refractive index of the medium in which the object is placed. So where we place the object in sphere, is it clear? Whatever the crack present at the center, that is acting like the object here. So you should take N1 is equal to the refractive index of the prism. Sphere. So this is the value of N1. And the opposite medium refractive index I will consider as N2. Coming to the R value. What is R? R is nothing but radius. That is nothing but PC. This is the value of R. Is it clear? And the object distance, the radius of curvatures are same. So this is the direction of the incident ray. You should measure from pole. So this is the direction of the incident ray. So you need to measure against the incident ray direction. So you should consider PO and PC as minus R. Now substitute in the formula. What is the value of N2? N2 value is 1 divided by, you need to find out V. I considered V as V only, minus N1 value. N1 value is N divided by, and what is the value of U? U is nothing but minus R is equal to N2 minus N1. N2 value is 1, N1 value is N divided by R value is minus R. Now I am transposing this minus into numerator. Then what will you get? Minus of 1 minus N divided by R. Now I am expanding the term minus of. So you will get minus 1 plus N. First I will write plus term N minus 1 divided by R. Now you got 1 by V is minus N by minus into minus plus is there. Sorry, minus into minus plus divided by N by R is equal to n minus 1 by r. Now transpose this term towards RHS side, then what will you get? 1 by v is equal to n minus 1 by r. Here plus term is there. If you transpose to RHS side, you will get n by r. Take the LCM as r, you will get in the denominator n minus 1 minus n plus n will get cancelled. Then what will you get? Minus 1 by r is the remaining one. Then 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by r. Therefore, v you will get as minus r. Since you got the image distance as negative value means the negative sign is indicating you should move against the incident ray direction. So you should move, the distance should be measured from pole, you should travel opposite to the incident ray at a distance of r. So the image is formed on the crack itself. Is it clear? The image is formed on the crack itself. Thank you.